Hi guys, welcome to telaHosting. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install an SSL certificate on your website. So sit tight so firstly you visit the telaHosting website, which is www.telahosting.com. Once that's done, you click on the services section, then you click starter cPanel. Once you click on starter cPanel, you scroll down a little and to your left hand side you click on login to cPanel. Once you're logged into the cPanel interface, you scroll down till you get to the security section. Once you're on the security section, you click SSL/TLS status. After that, you select the domain and you click on run AutoSSL. And just like that, it will start running automatically. And just so you know, the telaHosting website already has the SSL certificate. I'm just doing the tutorial to show you how to go about it yours. So once it's done, it changes from red to green and you can ensure your website has its SSL successfully installed. You can check by inputting your website in a browser and checking for a padlock at the side of the name of your website, or making sure your website is now having a domain protocol of HTTPS instead of HTTP. That's it for now, guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment if you found this guide helpful. If you had any difficulties in installing your SSL certificate on your website, drop it on the comment sections and we'll be attending to every comment or creating a video just for you. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. telaHosting out.